Football fans and crypto traders, listen to this. Toobit is now the official regional partner of La Liga, and to celebrate, Toobit launched a hug trading event with a prize pool of $800,000. Yeah, guys, 800,000 USDT. Let's talk about what this means and how you can join. So, guys, before starting, you can just hit like and subscribe and comment below, and let's get started.
La Liga is one of the biggest football leagues in the world. It includes famous teams like Real Madrid, Barcelona, Atletico Madrid. Millions of fans watch La Liga every season. Now, Toobit is officially a regional partner of La Liga. This is important because it shows that Toobit is growing globally. The message of this partnership is play on a bigger stage. In football, players compete on a big stage. In crypto, traders also compete in global markets. Toobit connects football and crypto together. To celebrate this partnership, Toobit launched the Elite Championship. This is a big trading competition with a total prize pool of 800,000 USDT. This is a very large reward pool. Users can join the event and earn rewards based on their trading activity. The more you trade, the more chances you have to earn rewards. It brings the competition of football into crypto trading. Just like football teams compete for the title, traders compete for rewards. If you want to join, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the event page, https://www.toobit.com/activity/laliga-event. Step 2. Register or log in to your Toobit account. Step 3. Check the event rules and complete the required tasks. Step 4. Start trading and track your progress. Always read the event details carefully before joining. It is simple. Register, join, trade, earn. In the 2025-26 season, many football leagues are working with crypto companies. Football and crypto are becoming more connected. Both are global, both are competitive, both attract young audiences. This partnership shows that crypto is becoming more accepted worldwide. It is no longer small, it is global. Toobit is an award-winning global crypto derivatives exchange. It offers deep liquidity, advanced trading tools, strong security. It focuses on fair trading, transparent systems, easy user experience. Both beginners and experienced traders can use it. Trade like a champion, play on a bigger stage. Like this video, subscribe, and tell me, which La Liga team do you support? See you in the next video.